I'm back, and today we're gonna make moon mud. The ingredients you're gonna need is a bowl, some water. Make sure it's only a quarter, like a spoon to mix. Cornstarch, scissors, and we also need dye. So you can mix colors, but since I wanted to use bright yellow, so I got the bright yellow. First you will have the cornstarch and cut it. Pour half of the cornstarch in. Now we're going to take the water. Make sure it's only like a quarter of water. And we're going to take our dye and put a few drops in. We do not want to use too much dye. Whoopsie. 2 drops or 3 drops should be. First, you can mix and match colors to make. I just used yellows. Now, you have to slowly pour in the mixture. As you can see, I've got this type of substance. And now, we have make sure you mix it until it looks like melted ice cream. As you can see, now my mixture is like this. It should act like a liquid. When you put it up, it should fall down carefully and act like a solid, too, at the same time. And now, since I want to add new colors, I'm going to add some blue to make green. And now, as you can see, I've changed it to greenish tealish. And now, from last time, your moon mud is ready. Thank you for watching, and I hope you make this moon mud. It was awesome to be with you, and hope you join me next time. Bye!